Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our repair tutorial on the Conga Z100. Today, we'll address a common issue, a broken gear. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, pliers, a small container for screws, and a clean microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. Begin by unplugging the device to ensure safety. Next, use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in the container for easy access later. As you work, pay attention to any small components that may fall out. Once the back panel is off, carefully examine the internal components. Look for any signs of wear or damage around the gear area. This is crucial, as a broken gear can lead to further complications if not addressed immediately. Here, you may notice debris or dust buildup. Use the microfiber cloth to gently clean the internal parts. This ensures smooth operation once the repair is complete. If you're unsure about cleaning, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's focus on the broken gear. Depending on the severity of the damage, you may need to replace it entirely. Check if a replacement gear is available. If you're unsure how to proceed, don't hesitate to reach out, we can provide a quote before repair. If you've secured a replacement gear, carefully remove the damaged part using the pliers. Be gentle to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once the old gear is out, it's time to install the new one. Align the new gear with the motor shaft and ensure it fits snugly. Before reassembling, double-check everything. Ensure that all components are clean, and there are no leftover screws. It's essential to maintain the integrity of your device. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable with the repair, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid any hassle of calls or travel. Now, let's put the back panel back on. Align it properly, and use your precision screwdriver to replace the screws. Tighten them securely, but avoid over-tightening, which can lead to damage. Finally, plug in your Conga Z100 and test the functionality. Make sure the gear operates smoothly without any unusual sounds. If you encounter problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We're here to help you every step of the way. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to repairing a broken gear on the Conga Z100. With patience and the right tools, you can tackle this repair effectively. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.